Okay, here we go. Szpanielskie ptaczki. Pork ones. Or Rouladen, they're called in German. So let's get these things full. Oh my goodness. State of the Union's on. I'm not gonna watch it. It's just be in the background. Let's see what kind of comedy show it's gonna be. Okay, so we got 3 pickles, hard-boiled egg, and a good quality hot dog. And this time, I've been getting these really good green peppers they're from Turkey. They're really good. They usually don't go in there, but I need to use them, so they're going in. Okay, those are going in. Usually I tie these with string so they don't unroll, but I'm gonna cook them tightly. I cook them tightly in this pan. Oops. It's not gonna move. Not gonna move. The next one. Okay, do my other hand. Okie dokie. Let's put our recipes on there. Now, Czech people don't do this. It's the first time I've done it. But I got these good Turkish green peppers. They need to be used. And they're really good. They get nice and tender, and the outsides are... You don't even know there was skin there. And a little more. Bajans. Yeah, that's good. And the rest of the Czech mustard. Borčice. Some water in there. Czech mustard really makes the sauce very good. Okay, let's put it in the oven. Okay, I'm gonna... Well, I made some Schnitzel too. Since I got I don't know how much it was. It was a lot. Oh. I got a huge pork loin. I think it was about 3 kilos. I made 4 Schnitzels. These are fat. Table. They already ate 2. And I got more pork in the freezer. Oh, and I'm going to broil it for a little while, and then I'm going to cover it. It smells like ptaczki, like Spanish birds. Woohoo! Hot, 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 hot. Woo. Oh yeah. Let's see. Mix it a little bit. Okay. Sauce tastes good. Now I'm gonna thicken it. I'm gonna thicken that sauce. Ooh, there's the egg. Sauce needs to be thicker because I made some spätzle. Okay. This should fall right apart. Okay, I'm going to thicken the sauce a little bit. Some flour and cold water. It's good and savory. I gotta mix it. Where's my spoon? Let's get that mixed in there. Without unraveling the touchkey, the birds. Don't want to do that. Let it cook a little longer. Just on the stove top. That sauce is going to get thicker. Okay. You can already see that it's thickening a little bit. To bude dobrota. To bude dobrota. Das wird mir sehr gut schmecken. Das wird ja lecker. Okay. Now the sauce looks thicker. Yes. That's the way you want it. So much. Some sauce in there. Oh, the red. The red, I put some magic in there, some Hungarian magic. And a teaspoon of tomato paste. It's time to eat. And here's my food. All I need is a half. There's the egg. The hot dog in there. There's some pickles in there, and we got Schnitzel and sauce. Gonna be good. Of course, I had to get my glass nice and frozen like we do in the US. It's gonna be yummy.